Karibu sana mwancho murigiria kero chabere chinsa ibere ni chitagika nkeigo usi chitagika isano igoro chinsa ibere ikira bono turachikorigeria amang'ana ye skuru gose amang'ana ye chisemi nene mono umurobere yoiga OCBC omugeni ito obwere tukoria rero oikira iga ase studio naboigo asingo kuborenga bwatana na intu ase chinsemo cha YouTube Facebook naboigo wetera ase namba yeito ye studio ase inchira ya bene kigima kumwarigane mugeni ito aiga ase studio ere tunyare gusanga amange Mr. Karibu sana me studio.
Bia mono agokire goikaga iga rero tukwanira magana y'ikisemi.
Mbia mono sana ereta oramanya mwancho muriririe ireta riago naboigo aeningo ngiokora
Bia mono asa marieta kangoro kubena domosa igombwate skuru ekorokwa Timisa preparatory school ere nyosia injera ya Keroka Kisi chikiro mitange isano ibere kurubosongoga ninjoyo mwa wa director wa skuru hiyo
mwa wa director ase skuru ya Timisa.
Yes.
What else do you do?
Kenga na yega singokora na mangana yobolemi.
Pia mono sana ekero okurigeria eskuru gose ya Timisa whatever nere ange no mochio busongo it's a private school automatically. CBC ngakiero mwaye bangire
eskuru ya Timisa
grade kebwate
igebwate paka grade 9 preschool na ndine skuru enye igere myaka ene bona iyo twenchagite 2021 and igere skuru ya CPC ikiagera nto igete gochaka mangana 844 geto gochaka skuru konyora 844 ya bire nganguchi ko bire first out so tugachaka CPC center so for myaka ene tuakolire ntuna mangana CPC tuasingatire mono umufumo we munye igo bono tukule paka grade 9 igo ngochi gokoritore ekoti entangani ya CPC CSS wakwenda senior school rende amangana CBC to understand it we mono kuba school rende
why is it that amangana ya CBC okorogana ngaye nabo ikari go flow as a private schools
ya CPC kero kunyerigere na 844 CPC ne tagete facilities nyingi yani ebintu ebingi kyagara abana ba CPC igo bakwewa variety ebintu ebingi awenda ko exposed which na liyo banyare ko kuba abana bali tukoronga ba holistic yani omaite ebintu ebingi 844 maite yarenga mangana re knowledge based ya chisemi academic lakini wao CPC etagete ere academic na practical skills so ekerto tu ara mangana practical skills igone etagete facilities etagete BT etagete kirap etagete mangana music mangana drama ebintu byonse so one of our private schools might decision making very fast no na bakonya private schools yo tokonya todo ebintu very fast
naze muki bitambukira bune bigasinjira ya bwango
ekiagero tugenda ko ba service erengia so bono na abaibuli babono abatageta abaira abana babo ase facilities chire banyora exposure kyo yokonyora knowledge na skills ikiagera the 21st century worker iga went ko skilled yani otware skills nchire chichikole chitakeri in the real world so nakito ko invest a lot of money so that tonyora abana bachi school ikiagera baibuli abatagete the best for their kids.
Creo que yo morobiri ga umoye wa masomo CBC abo iburi abange batebire ni gore very expensive go commenta nga chiskuru cheche private na chire chingo bachire expensive na kimoko kora amangana funding
private schools rende funding yo tokonyora mbora kuru school fees ya baibuli ba wakana lakini mono amangana ya gote banga CPC ne expensive gento kere kinge kire cheap gento kire cheap ngiri kabakia lakini mono ne perception ekiagera ekerto kora mangana practical no ya kabe kinganga bataba te ngekera bate bagole bintu biba abana bagutumia skuru igo biko banga ni cost wigeze bale lakini CPC framework yakera kwenye byo yabategeta mangana innovation yani nonye bintu biri tokora biri practical nitakire to be innovative as a school n'umwarimu so that tutumie ibintu bikora kubiri locally available ya bono nyina mangana ya like na kerota kete koro si poster ogochora tayi lazima ndo gole visa kara liri kuri supermarket ko se bookshop kuri no ene box ochore box is used so ine rinjira ya moyo ko reduce burden so eskuru nande ekero kuligeria mangana CPC emphasis here on competences tinko mangana kitora ke kuzira kin competences iko no ibu to morali competences yichie ya moya yabo na mangana innovation creativity and innovation na competence ya mo abana ba CPC ba mwento kutwara ngakiri nda abana ba uchiko ba kutwara competence ya creativity and innovation onye kero ko ba chi project chiko koru mu gutumia ruka lya hwere materials onye school gali onye na mato yemete agutumeka koliki ose project is ene ya moyo gukora ko ba innovative iko CPC is expensive ni implementation probably ya irenga kia lego chaka ya wato bokon lakini bona ke school ya ne wanyi understand
iko very expensive ndawa
twata very expensive very involving
teriko bate kana no konyora ko monto so mboyoni
yani ne sukuru bona amangana ye school fees ikia roma to nyo go roma ne public school to my thing school ne serikali ne with subsidy but private school manyete teriko nyora ibese chinde cyo kubesa serikali igo go ikoa kana school fees umwana so na bali bakana mishahara ni bintu bingi
mbuya bona sana ekero kuri nainde private schools inchibwate inchikagiri gutwara limited space totebe landmass kero kuri ngali baga nonye skuru yagachire nkochi chire cyatwaro oboremerwa bo iriroba naki mugoche mwakora mangana ekero CBC abana batagite bagende geti bacheze
na maene uisokora chi private school chinyingi nchibwate boremo okonyora abantu begeti school no nyuma yikiduka lakini ne CPC ili mbago nyara go survive uisokora la the implementation framework ya serikali ya mangana education basic education ni ruwete guidelines inga chiskuru ubule mubunga na kiwichi wento gora kikotwara one serikali ise ko implement framework ili buya kiskuru chinyigi kira siku ikiagera land is a requirement ya kiagera bona kerto tenga bana munchi kuba trade mangana sports one kubuga to bule mugure 50% ngane skuru weketa yero chiningi nyale kan
teko ba
unless ile lyo nyole njire na okubaira bajiru chiesa yere complicated lakini wana una nje skuru yani komba tufanya kazi timu ate kia kita ekenene abana ba kana ko curricular activities kominyoka wa kumupira magana basketball ni ndika mne so government ne very clear ya magana college igo ndo kwenye wote school ya 50 by 100 kolenge school is kala ministry ya ko forum ya na watu watu huko
tiriko abana ri bagari kwandegeti nabo ndo bate construction of the grade 9 classrooms kero kurigereria chi school anene muna private schools chiro chiche bangire lakini public schools nga nonye serikali birasi bire kwa gache binde mbiraira
na maene grade 9 birasi mbia tuwale changamoto ya serikali na roranja atema kumiyoka ya korora nga ya gache birasi lakini intu unanche school yane utuwa gache tekale birasi bisaini ibinde bire excess but then for public schools mbabwate constraints yechibesa nabere gasi na kikyo bono batie serikali I think ni wate mipango ngo address ile issue hiyo no hiyo cha kunyuru but then ni changamoto ibirazi but for private schools ndia kirigenduke
nga wikira boniga nabo school nere bwate birasi gwikira ibinde bire excess
school ya nembo de birasi bire excess chinde ntamanya lakini mbara no kwebana
sinje kero kuriga rune gazeti ya The Standard ritukuria rero page ya kabire gotebana grade 9 learners confront teacher shortage and crowded classrooms abarimu mbaise ase chisukuru nabo igo crowded classrooms ase bono aboroki wabo kabachakire kwenekia abanafunzi
for chisukuru echicha public schools esinginje funding yere obokong nabo igo kera konyora abana banko mata bali public schools abo konyora grade 9 ni konyora ita keno history mwinyi ese school no wame sekondari kisi primary ga abana but onye mubu ati birasi makigo cha yabo kise kona nende kiro mwana baka togocha baseli bana abo kuba tumba iko iye go compromise quality CPC tutagete bina ko nebi nitagete yani learning ya CPC igere learner centered umwari facilitator nabo igo bono nyetu bwate bali mbaise turochinga ko ngombora so ni manyete nga serikali ne bwato bokongoro amangana ya implementation ya CPC bali mu bwate baisaine birasi mbisaine
ibirogo chairs
mbiyo
nabo igo sanitation facilities
igo
ese gotebanga schools have done halls and libraries and computer labs
yes
to classes
serikali public schools nje bwato bokongoro ikego to accept but in the private schools ndo what problem.
Do you think chiskuru cyabanyene nchonsi cyanyare wikirani umurobere ga kone kibirasi bya grade 9 byagaciro
tingo nyara ko kumanya kyagara tina school echo igonda kwana igoro school yani
inche chiri chinko umanyete usoko kwarigerere
tinko manyaro kyagara tinda agenda turojine competition tole tinda agenda guikanta ko ba outshine inche bono yerusie yiga igona rosi 6 classes mujeri ya December na handi ngutumia technology tindinya kwa gache binte ingo bono chi kwene ngutumia kintu nga fabricated onko import materials na rosi ebirasi very unique, they are very warm igabana bakonyora yani environment is very conducive for learning nche na impress e technology kiara bono na ndeke kugwana magana innovation we go ahead on to korole school is a center of excellence barolenga you are ahead in terms of innovation so bono nje technology ngo yusi birasi ngo leta le imported na fix in 2 weeks na ko birasi ya na gacha 2 weeks birasi sita
isiri nerere bona tagote abantu bari babwache school bonse anyare kumanyana kyo kwebanga erindekero abana bagosoa ibirasi binebe kwanyara muchanda tuhiyo
esiri yo one siri ya no roche ninyare ko baga lakini rende nabo mugocha marole nabo bagocha barole tinte ko selfish because ya bana bonsiana baitu kiagara bana bakwenda baenda public schools naenda school ende yonzi ikiagara we are building a future of this Kenya so timbo atuko kongoyo rata kegocha na wanko mwesiri
mbe mna sana kira kuri na inde amangana facilities chine bunachi computer laboratories kira kuri ya private schools na kiko sena wanye school yao mbote computer laboratories abana basi bisi
yani wono ngotevi wono una abu no onda ahead ina sign a contract na abantu bako na tech lead Africa yoga udi na mangana computer igo have signed the contract na barabu igo batete bakolete in the next 2 weeks a computer ngotwara tole ebwate 50 computers na abantu aba bagocha na mwalimu ule trained
ogocha osomia
osomi robotics amangana computer generally because SH competency you don't have 7 just CPC. Digital literacy is one of them. One of digital literacy, ikiera the 21st century kid, iga went over technical. I want to do technology. Ya mangana ya computer and everything else. Ikiera kirigento kyo jira no nyene jisi mi to bata computer kirigento. Wono igo na invest in computers. Na nengole tane professionals abantana abakuru America. Bago chaga iga ngoja bali in the next 2 weeks. Lakini nonye nabo igo before then into bata computer la pasa school. I'm just improving it. Even better. You can also me abana mangana coding, robotics. You know that's where the future is.
Mana ta kumanya tara tabwati desktop yenyene.
Yeah. We kaenda asomi kwibintibi.
Practically.
Na nyobona mangana CP, nonye ngencha abana bakwe assignment nowadays. Igere nonye class imi. Igo tubwate chi project. Kerwa kwa abana bagosomi kwirasi megari. Igo bako gutumia technology. Onyo mwategete kurigeria mangana ye for example mangana ya structure ya body. Bone formation. Eso kwa ndese YouTube kwa download kwa bikira bana gali project barora. Onyo na mangana ko basomia mangana digestive system. Igo na mangana science. Eso kwa nda YouTube gali kwa bikira project bana barora. Inero CPC. So school go ikachi university.
Kakikero che serikali raje koira bakabana bachakonyora ni services bunecho
nebwate ke barua uikaba invest a lot of money bali baranyala ko kole kwende bona muna chi project echi bindi kamini ndi bwento kutoke school chi laptop ichi bwento kutoke school echi ndo bwate ese serikali okongomboro tima eti hao machiba cha invest but then ni changamoto they must address it.
N'abarimu bari bakuri kwa CH school bono bunichi chi private njera kimo konyora abarimu abaiga bari well trained in as much as abarimu bonsi mbabwate ubumanyi kusemba chite chi school njera kiko tumeka konyora abarimu bao
of course ingora an advert chi forum ni chingora nyora abarimu lakini ndingo tumia tole consultant ya tokolera interview atotomera the best teachers. That's why school ya Timizi one of the best teachers. Otokotomia consultant yo call interview. Ototomera the best, you choose the best. Na otokonyora ego. Na ndende requirement ni linga go trained as a teacher. Onye mangana ya P1 ose a graduate. Ikiara CSS you might elia content here on a secondary. 844 abarimu bona turigete Timizi ni graduates because ekara basomye ndego integrated science eri combination ya biology chemistry and physics iwondo you graduate ira somye ndego mine arafu oisokora na content ya maths ya grade 7 ili form 1 work ya mangana integers and the things like that. Tuchiko genda mangana ntugate igendo nga pre-technical. Ere combination ya computer and business. Business ito gasomire form 1. Iliyo somira mangana balance sheet. Profit and loss ibindika minibino obiri. Ono wikonyo umwalimu wakolete kosi ye nali arasomye content. Ono mostly otokolika graduate. Basomi junior secondary school wale trained na handende ngo bakola igendo ko ngari touring. Tuwa train amangana CPC ngakiba wenta kwandura abana ba CPC nandi ngakiba go deliver content ya CPC. So abarimu go ikababe TSC compliant nandi ndende bakole training.
Buya sana kiro kurigirira bono the structure ya HC school echibono as the to tebe grade 1 to grade 6 ntobwate chabo play group omwana tarika grade 1 as a private schools akerenga mwana ya gusoma ande ina kimoko ni kingu mwana yiga maino veire oguse grade 1
umate CPC ere age based Nande ere 2 years ase amangana ali akurunga pre-primary pre-primary bakurunga PP1 and PP2 then oende grade 1 to 3 ine miaka erenge 3 ikurukunga lower primary omanya kogenda grade 4 to 6 ikurukunga upper primary then mwakoenda miaka nande 3 grade 7, 8 and 9 and oendere ende senior school grade 10 mpaka 12 then mwakoenda university miaka 3 bono as per the guidelines ya serikali umwana of 4 years nero gwenda kutoka PP1 miaka 4 miaka 5 aende PP2 miaka 6 aende grade 1 unless you mwana kabwate challenge kera wana mbanya kabago bikainamo baro bakuibule na challenge si cyabo nere guidelines injiro ngibako managed lakini umwana ule nomo ene na beko genda igo 4 years na lego chake school agende birasi bino bire igo lakini rende intuna timisa ntubwate elebe kurukunga play group abana bali 3 years bali to kuba prepare for PP1 ngona bago cho school gali baba trained ngakibago koraki bago accept coming to school
bahanza kwenali
basomiwa mangana sounds bateriwa baba training akibako bwate karamu in preparation for PP1 yeah
ne lazima bwana takre nene play group karago cho school
taye rasma na boku mutiga nkabe paka ike 4 years amakwenda PP1 lakini rende mpu yako set pace ikiagero manyete ukobwate karamu ni training uko concentrate class iga ikaranse tige class iga otegerenki umwana wagasomi is a training
maene
kwarore ikiagero umwana ise kumurusi nyomba iga muire school nyomba maite is not under control the environment
na baratu munga korwa school
Dayo gotumurende concentration ikiagere bintu bigosomi play group na mangana concentration in class uko bwate karamu rendo whatever of muscles bakonyera kanga psychomotor ibintu mbiri bago trainiwa so that babe ready for PP1
tote baza director of private school ngikore kwa interact na bana abarese school yao
mono sana iyo manyeta abana bakamarieta na barwa bamanyete ikiagero manyete a difference between a school ekorokotimiza ni school chinde nelinga as management yotore hands on nando tole train teachers tole train teachers kuna wana nje no graduate mwalimu ndo kuru mo university no mo assistant yona nere University of Nairobi bono amangana ali amangana yesu school management tari ngente ko apart from that na ndi bono tuwate no bono na be doctor yetali no bono no doctor mos bono ga mangana education yeto kale ki otunyete very seriously bono otole school ko manage tomanyete ngiketa kere gukora ngokora tole kwirende paka abantu tobamanyete abana abatumanyete so management ire proper
ningyo kagerete gekoba obuyo buko angena abana bali barasi school yao aye buno monene bu school eli niko mayangi ba ningi obuyo bwa emborobi
umanyete ka role present na ande vision imbora ni njenye bwate so I'm able to direct very well presence management ekobengiya supervision ekobengiya so that no na bali guys bakora when understand it so that bakole babe effective as a class so okoboro is important
tosa anande amangana junior secondary school ekero okurigiria ebitabo bya grade 9 nakimoko bya access na ndi mwanyora ng'ebitabo biri namaene nkwenda na biri bya chisukuru che serikali.
Mawete amang'ana y'ebitabu once biko approved na KICD, the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development. KICD ngorithisiere gento gikorokunga curriculum designs. Curriculum designs nere correct the content ya every learning area. So the elingo chisukuru ntobwate curriculum designs. Then the publishers bakorosia bitabu KICD ko bae bale the designs bali content. Onya grade 1 maths bamanyanki kibo wenda usomi wasomi numbers inteka minebyo. Baenda ba develop content in line with the designs. Baira KICD approve. Bama kwenda ba print bitabu. Because ba publish. Of course, changamoto njaba with the rationalization of learning areas, kere president ya wete rosete task force yeri, but it could reduce content. Igo ibita umbia change. Kera wono una mangana ntu abwate music kando, art and craft kando, bakanye combine one ikurunga creative arts. Ibwate combination ya creative arts, music na mangana sports. So, ono mbaro siti design chingao. Ye president bi working party ria kole egasi yabo. So kera ba condense wakiri igemine tipake bitabu byara ko kara kigo change. Ebitabu mbya twaro bokong. Pakabona ge bwato bokong. Publishers KICD mnaona grade 5, 6, 7 and 8. Ili twale ko igora to igorire last week. Nari ba approve bitabu. Ye birasi ebi. One ge minute mbono publishers bagenda ko print bitabu.
Mbere ikase chisukuru.
Mbio bookshop. Arafu nonye bya grade 1 mpaka 4 na bere bya ba approve ti some 1 month ago. Na bere bigo mbono bakonya kongangana bakoraki. Nonye public schools njibwa bitabu. Igone serikali ya Nyuru. Ya Nyuru ku approve ebitabu ebi.
Igo insio murobiriga wikanonye chi private school mogende inline nebinto biri gose nini area serikali chi design.
Yeah, ntolipuka curriculum ngao. Curriculum ni area yemo na ando abantu babu approve curriculum KICD. Whether you are in a private school or in private school. Yani omaeto umwanafunzi yono Kenyan is a Kenyan learner. Igo wono te yonga ki uno to kutumia curriculum ngao private school yente kinke. Curriculum to kutumia na yemo. But implementation ngaki mo kwenye implement is the difference. Na ando no private school nchiri chiko implement curriculum yebiya une yane ko the others. Ikiera there are now many other variables. No bwate bano ikiera nyawo gosomi no bwata bali mu bali qualified bali competent no bature ineti no bwate birasio to crowd the class no one class school yatimiza class yake kutwara bana lesson 30 maximum 30 no nye ministry yote bana waka 45 mtoto wegete 30 so that we reduce congestion contact yo mwana no mwalimu ere proper. Yeah. So nabo wenta ko bayiwe curriculum ne ya muto gutumya ki design ne chimo ibitabu ne bimo bono mangana ronga na availability na hande bono gutumya internet konyora content ikiaire design iko guide content no konyora internet wasomia ba eskuria unko provide more tutebe textbooks nebitabu bya assignment bire ebitabu ebimo gose nabayibore bakogora ebitabu nabayibore bakogora na textbook egento tokora sa skuru tokoligerie the eristiria approved na KICD
no recommend
tualigerere kere gitabu twa check lakini twarangire kikere most appropriate. Then we recommend ya Bible babagolera. Twaro sigende nge book list. Bagora. But yes school nera uko golere. Intu ono toko abayigole abakole bintu binga workbooks. School we kogora course books. Twagora na teacher's guide. So chiaba guide buya ba check ni decide or prepare for teaching. Ikiagara omanyete effective teaching need to get support in terms of running materials.
Buya sana akoste vitabu ndotenga nande buya wake bikirenga KICD nene kwa approve vitabu byosi because wasi curriculum moyiga ende ekrokorigere high school cha private ine kichigo chichakora ase buna mangana yichi competition tubwate chi congress abantu bana bagachire ronko benda barasimura bose bisi
CBC bono ese nagotainga mangana practical skills amangana kurunga outdoor na ratakeire mono because CPC egwende go expose kids to variety bintu byonsi ekere kurweke rasi ni bintu bire byisiko byo akemipira mangana drama nkwana igoro yatimiza na mangana ko curricular activities nagotainga igotobwate getie kenene etiekere almost workers kiogwaka umupira ono kuminyuka ntobwate music department igombwate director for music ari graduate from Maseno University akorete Pigwa music for it was compete kabere mangana music inje competition yichi ya music festival itanga netu compete 2022 uko tuwabete kera no rore Facebook page yetu no citizen ninja tokabete niji no nyana inuga mwa tokabete tuirete omwana oyomo tuirete abana batatu national yarenge Nyeri Dedan Kimathi University uko tuimajete number 1 in 2 items abana baito babera bat andi tuara compete umate school yenyi kabisa lakini tuwa compete ni school chi nene kwana of Stratum Riara group of schools chiabo kwende Nova Pioneer motu walinge katukulia moto kababua toka number 1 music omanyete iyo ina record kwe competence kurunga self efficacy yani self belief orujo mwana arukuru kurwe sub county a compete kiara competition na wachira agende county agende region amakwenda national kwarori andabe number 1 echi sukura community na chirecho echi abere 30 years no over number 1 omwana oyo mate confidence ya yekwenda ekwende roof and confidence nero is everything kero confident kirigento is possible self belief kirigento is about self belief and inera kwendo yo singatia CPC ono toka international tuirete 3 items 2 tukaba number 1 ni tukaba number 3 so we did very well then last year igo na tu compete na drama toka international drama tu alinga under the film category na hande toka ni kwenenere alinga ali set piece na ro toka number 1 drama mwana tu ile toro na beta number 1 film toka number 2 drum music festival this last year 2023 from your region you go to 10 items at national level yaba Moi Girls Eldoret tokabana ake tuenda 10 items yicho naro item ya moto kaba number 1 yarenge duet ya piano piano kubuye ikwendege ne violin tu abwate ikaba number 2 violin so naande mne category tu irete number 1 naro tu alenge na kisukuri sana at national level timiza no ya alenge Liz Wanyoike Stratimo na Riara tukabagua
ngio kagirete kia kogera nga school yo ekosoka se school yake na kigimo anana mone private school na ndi school renke
is a management and having the right people management kirigendo is about management any onye biashara konyara bigo succeed is management who is at the top effort kyoko make right na support their stakeholders. We go to a good relation. Parents are very supportive. Kaya uno ibinte kami niyo nya ba limba go support. Baka nanga mwana itotali go participate se binte kesa na ba go te. Ono management ingia na support from parents. And go to the right teachers. No one to chinga mbate director for music. One school nya go make intentional decision. And take our intentional. Get the right people who call interview. Then to kunyara.
Whatever management nero backbone.
Everything is management. No nyeko manage country is management.
Ndiye mono sana tukugenda ase break yankeigo irindi twirane nabo igo kurigereria ayanda mange ime yo muroberi CBC anene mona kira tukumurigera chi school chi abanyana ko state private school so mancho murigereria ndere gutigara ime yo muroberi gwetani ekere tore nere Mr. Bernard Omosa emandi yabono.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Eduka Euromart Supermarket nigo yakoletire ubwansu asebagorosia emigati emia babwate umugati oli oyolo white bread which gramu chibi inye euro white bread which gramu chibi ibere euro mandasi boigo chiqueen cake chibuns birthday cake so chi cake chi nyange egati yebinde ebinge asobwansu boigoro tueba babwate ebintu biria bichicho abuna tissue papers, serviettes, Apic detergents, igati binde ebinge. Nkoni bali chindagira nebinyuwa. Bunabono, wate omuchere, chidengu, biscuit, chisoda, chicheese, na mabuta yugukaranga, ase omagori aisekegima. Semeri yobochenu, babwate ebintu na basir boda, sunlight, geisha, meningai, nechinde chinyinge, semo ilia yeskuro, ni gobabwate bintu buna, chi file, chi brown cover, ebitabu, chi karamu, crayons, egati yabinde ebinge. Toy chanda, buno nabokonyora ebibyonsi, asuko batalira, ime yensemelia, ya nyabite ime county nyamira, usoba kiresumi ase enamba, 0781111555 Euromart Supermarket asubwansu namagoli amaya minyoka.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge. Aha buno tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No buruire bwa sumbuira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Na kiburuire bwe sukari bogo somo bero goime. Hypertension no buruire kramanyinga kogende igure somo be. World Fit itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa ya marwaire. Enchede ntangani itosomete ngentunga conventional medicine. Yani ubonyagitali obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngentunga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakuruese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have mtupikunga amino acids, mtubuate fatty acids, mtubuate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka eso korwali ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akuruese mete twarwali ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobuate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noere gaiga marigiti gaiso wako ni nyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A tugwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room
2. Walfit L Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Ine nubwatu musangerekano oligitiko genda asobwangu nigali egwikia bwangu nandebuya noligitiko genda ni yamati yao asumuchunde egere ochikwegokya nabamati bao ine nubwate edate otegitiko genda kwa utarabo krega buki ni geroro asingenche yao genda ase smartphone yao ogende Play Store egere o download app ya buki kuroro osabe egali ende yonsi ekoire mpaka asoligitiko genda asirigulirigi ya kwetani golirinde lyonse abugwa gatumekire kurwa aburi tangane nigatore asime chimna Kisii, Nyamira, Kisumu, Omabei, Migori, Kericho, Nakuru, Naivasha, Nairobi ne chinsemo chichietana ine buki nige kubwatania chiamate ebiro nabasani ase egekekemo. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire mechando aoya marwire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka chire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatimrimende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond titanium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole oboigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarikao eyeko yarungiya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaliriga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best iko bagotuka imiyumu chubo songo ase nyumba ya Ouru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kiri cya Kisii Kisumu
ncha samarieta nkoro kwanongaki ana arwareta marwaire ara mange nkagenda chinya gitari yao korigyo obogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chinyinga konyoro obogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbeti nkonyoro obogweni boikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinja abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroira nda manga yale ngo mubero ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi nigwetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Karibu sana umwancho murigerera nainde ekera bono twasoire ase king'isi kiomwere kabisa kiomorobori iga obwetwani ya Getembe ekera torenere Dr. Bernard Omosa oyore nainde omonyene bweskuru ya use obwate eskuru ebwate bono omorobori iga o CBC kose kurwa junior school gose ebwate ebirasi byonsi korwa play group all the way ibaka junior secondary school yonsi koera bono ekero tukuria Dr. Omosa kero tukurigereria abana bari grade 9 ngokora bara matemo ngaki mo babangete ngai bagucha
mbia mono moralia grade 9 nkoenda gukora bara matemo at the end of this year aya kuba agochikuba konya ko for placement kwenda senior school. That's number 1. Amatemo ya kurukunga the Kenya Junior School Education Assessment. Amatemo ya karaba konya kora na agochikuba enepo baende the senior school. Na ande amatemo ya agochikuba konya for pathways. Gotobwa chi pathways satu under CPC. Ntobwate ya mekurukunga science and technology.
Ego korogo cha ekere umuntu akoro grade ki.
Ekere ba kuri grade 9 wakwenda senior school. Ono no school senior school chiko kutwara chi pathway. Na vera school ya twara chi pathway sato. Yere science and engineering and mathematics. Ni pathway nero ya sports. Yeah? Sports and arts science. Ni ya social sciences. Una journalism ye mangana law teaching in social science. Won chipatu wiji sat. Wona abana beke ba kora yiga matemo ya grade 9. Nere beche kobene bo choose the pathway. E questionnaire nero serikali egotoma bacha sign. Wa firie form yi. Nere ko one of the tools you ko assess apart from the exam bacha ko karansi kya grade 9. So abana naro onyo utayeta ko be doctor umu engineer na bako placed. It's a school which cover STEM.
Chelsea chikobere me asi school yamo. Kone kiyo mwancho murige wono kero kinaraga ni kumanya.
Ya era depend school ngakie bangite. Ki school ngiro chine na chibwato bolemo. Chibwate facilities. Amo chikutuwa chipathe wichonzi satu. Lakini nchiroro zanyale chitabwati bolemo. Chire squeezed. Nani chibwate facilities na wekutuwa na wenye pathway yamo. Kati ya serikali guideline ya atewa na bukutuwara either 2 or 3 pathways.
Ekero korigeria umuchando turi gochikoba se chiskuru chinyinga bono.
Obakongo mbororo because maetono mwaka oyo motobwate. 2026 abana bali wachire senior school. Tindaro chiskuru gose chabere ready. Tima iliwo the government iwe chakokora lakini nindoche I can foresee a challenge. Uro chonyi birasi kwa gacha byagire na ni problem. Nindoche ngana bera challenge era be challenge especially for public schools. But we hope the government neche act fast. We've got 1 year. It was a crash program. Airline this thing.
Bueno, una private schools chirochonga kiroche in the next 1 year abana baiga bakoro junior secondary. Kiro bago chigosoa senior school. Private schools chiroche nchi achagire kuyarigan. Usiche uchibangire.
Ninda aware of some private schools. Chia chagire kwebanga in line with the amangana grade 10. Year senior school. I'm aware of some schools here private, especially Nairobi chia chagire ko lewe interview. No any intutimisa ntotete kwebanga injere communication. Yeah.
Linda barukyo ba ukora batambu kyasinjirire smooth.
Yeah.
Bono nande kiro tukurigere ase amangana ega ayo kurigereria gusukwa gacha chiskuru echiga. Imbintu kyo ndabone tukurigereri. Ikirati tukwa gacha chiskuru bono mune private nande kolibia.
Ebintu nebinge. Ikiagera one oikonyo ole mboro bolemo. Oisaine. Bolemo oisaine ora accommodate facilities chons. 50 by 100. Then we call otuale proper management. Then you know the right teachers. Na magana facilities aina arana kwani. So ebimbere ebintu kuligereri then ma ucha ke school onyo kuchiko cha ke ya senior school.
How do you get the right management? Umete singinche yenere kogera chi nonye chi kampuni chinyingi chago mostly, chi organization chinyingi chago.
Management nitagete ebintu ebingi. Wana wanye n'abarimu gwikonyora abantu bari skilled nande bagwate the right attitude. Attitude ni ngaki baachire bakore gasi bakonya Kenyan child. But management nitagete motivation. Oba kane buya nande in time. Nande o appreciate good work. Anya mwalimu wasomera buya gwikotwale skin ya appreciation. Ikiana yani mwonya abantu.
Abasa appreciation. Okonyoranga abantu abange gose employers abange bari ba ogochi barigereria nganeyo bari ko ba motivation mostly.
It is part of management na gotei. Ekiagera ega siengia we get appreciated. The same way as siembe eko condemned. So appreciation about what are various schemes. Nande chire well understood, chire structured, and allocate resources. So tindi koranga negenteke kong, but in a decision you went to make at management level.
And now that inchera available abange bagende tukwe murungana, how do you convince a parent kosa au kosa yo mwana ya se school private chinga kibune chiga?
Ni matenga economy na nkongwere. But the education yo mwana is paramount. Na ndo maitenga kie ya wana with CPC oikora si mwana oguchiko fit into the real world. They're very competitive. Maitenga kie tu asomete private school kiengi chinke. Wana mwa yako anda kama asomi go the same level. Mo kwande job market you compete. Onye kesongo tuma ito kwa na vehicle you compete kia ya vehicle. Wali gele hata skills wako ega. Lakini mwana ngoja kwa somi mwana yataka nya gukwane gesongo buya. Tabu ati skill ya computer. Tamanyitia mangana ko curriculum. Tabu ati confidence. Tabu ati the right attitude. Na yuja kumwiro mwana itaka vero masiyo. One there is no option. We go sacrifice or invest in the future of your child. And generally speaking, ikiaro is the ultimate goal for education. And also the education framework. You got to when to produce skilled and ethical workforce or society. One of them to cover the school chibuata facilities. She cover skills over the right attitude. The Bama cover ethical. Because what really 844 ya meseti ni ile njia ama product of 844 telling ya ngi school system wembe. But attitude was not taken care of and the skills. So one CPCA go say school when they go choose okoiro mwana go no mwebole wana ko advice. We ke school ready ko mwana go knowledge in academic year class which is paramount. Nige ntogia kabiri is skills. Omwana have skilled. How? Skills in everything na chava computer, everything via drama, everything via maybe football, athletics, and all those other things. When you're skilled, then attitude. What was the right attitude? Abantu were responsible. What were the integrity? So CBC is addressing those issues. So, you must make that decision for the future.
Naboyo bono kurigereria abuna performance ya chiskuru chabanya na igasoro gongoro ausi. County ya Kisii ya Nyamira. Naki okero ko compare na public schools na kiere.
Of course private schools in Chira ahead. Abana who produced the private schools more ahead of public schools because of the environment we are exposed to. When you teachers, private schools, we provide teachers very competent and these are the co-curricular activities. You go, generally speaking, when you compare, private schools are ahead of public schools.
Agise gote bana qualified teachers ase amatuka maige kero kurigereria kwa kanyorengo mwana gose umoroki wana rokorera mutema form 4 gose utarakora nonye college gose university kwanyoro irure school gete academy ochakire gosoma
Alina magoso. Na magoso na ndi ministry se kwanyora ngomuntu gosoma grasi metabwa qualification that train it na tabwa TS compliant na magoso mapesana. Yo is not negotiable. Turigo koraga you that trained. Ngakire ndo go prepare or be effective in class because there's a reason why I can recommend training even though name go so. One, ngakio go manage content into teachable units. Ine genda so make college as a teacher. So I can recommend content yenye kwa numbers we kumanya ngakio kwenye divide into teachable units. Iyo go so migo eskuru na mangana scheming, lesson planning even take a minute. Na liyo have effective. Ona you totally trained. Ngakio go scheme, ngakio go lesson plan. Ngakio go manage learners in class. Yeah? Ngakio go deliver content. Ono chaka ko imu kiguru studio kanga ni klasi mu ko be ko ayo no kenya roro chaka.
Tinko nyara.
Egese ko no kutingira.
Tindi trained buna ko mwalimu.
Yo so bali ba gukora igo that's a mistake. Nanda abayibuli bikaba manyiga abayibuli kare mu kuira abana school on private yetu no abali mu baroro mbali qualify bakosomya abana bawe. Rero mu kandi gutindika abana.
Nande kero kurigereria chiskuru chabanyane private unchibwate nkonyora chiri challenges chinde kero ko compare ne serikali. Amo nali mu gwetera naralia igati yali mu gwetera.
Of course, changamoto cha chinji anya kobora. Kiara bono maete one private schools wika bayibuli bakane school fees. O akana abalimu bamenye. Ono siko nyanga bayibuli bali bakana school fees iro cha balimu bakotamaga.
Akubura.
Woni kyo bayibuli again serikali yo maete abantu bali kina TSC, abalimu bali kina TSC, serikali must pay salaries. Ono mpaka kutama kuzipatika kwa gazi. Ono private schools is funding. Kiali chibesa to kutagete. To manage school na bayibuli bakane school fees. Ikanye mpaka wakana in time. Na kwa bere gazi korageria abana wakane school fees. Na ibinte binga kora materials yo basomye klasi ibinte kabiri. Ina ile mecha changamoto.
Chinde nchiyo chikobwaterana nande. Arene mona inse kero kurigeria mangana igasi.
Chinde na abali.
Favors chinde una serikali chiko baeta.
Serikali ya mangana serikali ya roya college very well. Kiara nko organize very training especially with this new CPC regime. Nko organize very training. Nko invite our private schools watu baba trained. Yes, serikali ngo support here.
Bakabali mu ba private schools.
Yes. Because you know it's a Kenyan child, whether private or public. The nige into kende, of course yes serikali na mangana taxes ya rongo toitiri. Taxes are very you go ikwaka na taxes. Ona na bego ya tumisa. Na nderende generally na bali mulende serikali ekere kuliko mwalo magocha nyolekana nyoletie sio genda kiara maete nambata ketase you know LP lifting a 1 year serikali pressure tei but private guy go kuika ebe pamba kwa pamba so na ba kogenda abo konyoro mwalo gwa train ile buyo nalire na abana lakini ga konyoro ngakiri kira kuliko na serikali na ba kokora akogenda tuchine setback nje changamoto
nekiro kurigeria mangana ayo bowene mubate murobirio ndo konya abaroki wabaino
asa mangana yo kurwali inkwane rigoro ya timize gento kora abana kere bagocha mambi ntubwate gento gikonga health records ngo sign bale abana ngo check bale ngambi yabali amang'ana temperature and everything else nabo iguri rende nabo konyara barikire ese diary na umwana naigwete bobe so ntobwate enjera to manage learners amang'ana health lakini rende still mnabona ntobwate arrangement ninyagitari mwana sikoro ale school no tokomenya kino kiumbugari orarigererwa yeah
ayo kero kurigiria buna chisukuru che serikali abana ngo to mubare barwali kubosa guchasi chinyagitari amangana ya nakunete chi private schools to batwe mero bere buna ya etiri chinga kichama ga buna nemis umwana kwara kwa we namba kwenda kwa rwali kubosa nyagitari ya serikali
private schools unless mwagiri na parents mtu saja na
school wenyene
and it comes with a cost na mtu saja an arrangement aba igoli wakana kabesa kakeigo mwana gakurwara koraki uri nyagitari lakini una nago tebi igo tobwate arrangement na the hospital mwana isokorwale skuru nyuma atara koraki mwibuli ataracha na bako shughulikiwa unaona libere romatilile libe asabana na botoko ba chibana du uso ogenda tuwa mwire nyagitari kigumbwali urwali
mbuya muno ntubate Roda Ruth akoboria injeni gonkoboliga why amasomo ne birasi bikomenterwa na wameleta TVET institutions mbona wasitumie hiyo TVET wawachane na hii system mpya sijui ya PP1 hadi junior secondary school hadi senior akote wange birasi ebyo mbiri ebinge sana abana bagosoma oyiga Ruth kware wancho mwiranire no sere niga kulalamika nga ebirasi biga abana bagosoma insi omurobere o CBC nigo bire ebinge
e system ya CPC to chingo twata ebe myaka ibera bakobera preschool nande baenda umwaka grade 1 to 3 myaka 3 na 4 5 6 myaka 3 nande bama kwenda CSS myaka 3 bama kwenda senior school myaka 3 teligento kebe ikero isokorora kero baikire senior school junior school igo bako prepared bagende as a area of interest onye go to be journalist oko prepared
so grade 7
grade 7 ni na limo cha go choose pathways onye go to be doctor na bako prepare that way onye go to be mondo sports na bako prepare that way so a system ekurunse igo ko variety kwanya ko be exposed ngora so kare kuru preschool ko chigoro igayo igo a system yero ro konya ko align your interest and your capability so that by the time umwana gukora junior school umanyire ngiaho chigokora taitu enzo chikoba chi doctor taitu enzo chikoba balimu maybe that's not your interest so mbia a process yeye gukebe ebe impressed so that abana aba babe exposed to variety by the time baje kwenda senior school o choosing ngiaho chigokora kagokora senior school na bako gende university go TVET
bonera ko bolenga ikiro kurigire umurobere wa CBC ebintu ebinge bigokorwa na TVET institutions akoranga kero kende nko bwekana bire okotari gutumia myaka mingi asa gotebanga batigane ne system weye juni wengi sana wataenda ku lose jobs kwa serikali
ndipite nande umanye tego cha gutwara umuntu le skill ne process tanto kuimuka bono iga ogenda tebe abana kwa beire gose e plamba to como uikwete process osomiwe bintu ne bingo gwenda gosomiwe then uno konya kugenda ku chigoro ku preschool paka ogenda paka senior school nabo konyoranga gwa choose a pathway so ekero kwa kule senior school ono ni gutete kwenda kwa be journalist nabo kogenda onye gutete kwa be plumber nabo kogenda okore onye gutete kwa kora mangana electricity nabo kwenda okore nabo kwenda bona TVET And by that time, you can go and TVET, you will be more skilled because we are choosing your pathway. Yes. By that time, we are choosing. You go to university, you go to engineering. We are very prepared for engineering. We are. At the end of the day, masomo ayo sipi. Utobwenta kutwara a skilled and ethical society. Makiyo konyara skilled, we can accept the process. We can accept the process.
I think omancho morigirio mankete na roda information about ya CBC na wente nande kora erese rwake esera gotebanga tamaitingi birasi bibi kwa kusense 17 ati hizo classes ni kama zinakuwa 17, mtoto kitambo amalize uongeze umri wake itakuwa imeongezeka 17 classes.
Emiake paka senior school toche miake ebere okomenta 3 ine 5 okomenta 3 8 okomenta 3 irenga yabere nana ko
tobate
ebere preschool
tobate 6
alafu tukatwara 6 igere roba primary paka grade 6 yabere nane omente 3
11
omente 3
14
14
class 3 ya college 17 umwana tage tene miake tate school
mbo yakaro kole university miake ngoko current
21 22
oseka ukora form 4 irenga ukora current
17 18 yeah
one guess the difference is not there.
Yeah, Ruth ngogorandania nga emiake yo kose emiake yo 17 mwana ko vere school na bengi no nye system yengo rutwabe abantu babere miake mengi school wetano nye 17 na inde bakorire bado baravake yego komenta no miaka onyo mwana chage tene school ne miake ne kuna mwana yare 21 22 igo teri meve tinka grade timanye tinga kiera ringi wake sabu yae akora mwana kaga gocha gwikasa okore mirimo akonyora ngogo ngata wika kovere gikasi mirimo
miaka mbiri
na boigo Teresa Kimuto mbia mono sana agotebanga ako tuned in and are agoteba ko listening na boigo pamoja from Gulf for you Ruth agotebanga korwa Gulf Jeda noare imeyo moroberio surambaya Rosafi agoteba watching live from Nairobi mkuru kwa Ruben Dia mana sana na bande abangi abagendete ko ba ime iyo morobirega inki uhono kwa gote mancho murire kyo mwiri kira toko chokora
mbia mano egento kia muhimu ngelinga umufumo yo CPC no umuya iye naande iyo gekobanga obwate parental involvement bana mbali ko ende school aigwatigera balimu nitegeta iboli baba involved na mangana ya masomo ya bana na kio kororera no ni chi assignment ya bana na odise ba koewa go ba gotebanga genda mukonyu na baibuli parental involvement tali meeting okwenda gukora ekero umwana agokoretera okuboria maswali abangana na manga gosomio school no nyamangana asiai kero umugore gochako umwana abagochako no yo grade 1 inga ingo ise Jesus right ekero mungu twara that kind of discussion mwana umugore swali ri umokonya go answer ine tokurunga parental involvement yani no only part and parcel ya masomo y'umwana we abana ko igwara assignment watenga with the help of your parent you search on the functions, for example, ya reefs. Kero kwa ndalio ko konyo mwana ligo go search se simi ina le kunga parental involvement.
Umuchando turi ko bekero umuiboli yego tokanga tamani tibinte bikostabwate no nye smartphone yara chikotumia.
Ichangamoto ine rororo lakini bono ne abere igo goikobe involved goiko okolete iyo parental involvement yese CPC ni gento kia muhimu sana no nyoko ende school kufuatilia ngakyo mwana gokora wakwana na balimu parental involvement ntutagetinga kieria amatenga kieria ika abana batigairwe chisukuru na abarimu na kikyo twanyorire tubwate ethical issues abana batabwati tabi masikani tai nere CPC te to address one go address ya mangana ya masomo ni tabi nalio mwana go fit into society so abaibuli amangana CPC advice ya neba ono mambini ringa goikamo be involved nande goikamo anje CPC munya go kwa na CPC obe asa abana umwenda kwenye anja obatenge nere umufumo banye impress igento ya kabere ase mu koira abana baino make sure mwanyole the right school goikamo manyenge school ingo support yora mangana CPC ikia mwerio pi
ni ribori ndiraiga temete uste nkora iranerio oyakoro kwa Naftali Oboge agoteba do you think that a CBC will solve the problems we are currently facing in the economy of Kenya, like unemployment among young people in the future?
Mono sana.
Njeraki.
Ikiagera employment yomata yiri they as mori kwa visi. Ekero bwate skill. Nikitoka nga CPC ego kwa knowledge ni skills. Ekero bwate skill yo kuchia piano. Toko baya dio ande si wedding yo gele wanto chi piano ni chi violin. Ese ni skill. No ko we DJ. Ono na chi DJ ga teana loto no ni chi MC. Umwana gutwara ikiara competence china go tebi chire 7. Communication. Okukwana. Obwate flow. Na boko wa a master of ceremony. Obwate communication skill. Obwate confidence, you could self efficacy, right? Obwate digital literacy. Umanyita mangana computer, inere competency. Mone ke obwate bintevi. You are able to speak very well. Okukwana wiya. Aboko be a master of ceremony. Right? Osena boko be motivational speaker.
An example.
Igabu no te kuliko sana boko erika.
Aboko erika?
Any skill. Okay, ore computer savvy. Yani you are able to type very fast. Na boko kora programming. Na boko rosia software. Na boko maintain computer. Wone italia gazi.
Okwelika.
Yeso to kwelika. So CPC na rego to address issue ya unemployment. Aya, tutama ngana sports. Onye school go kwene po manya mangana sports which is mpira to skill yo wako mpira. Abantu ababo Cristiano Ronaldo ese marwa the richest people in the world. Assets kiba wada no nyale. They can manage even the economy ya Kenya. So talent CPC is addressing those issues. So CPC nere a game changer to the current problems to what the Kenya unemployment.
Now we go. How can the Ministry of Education, ama government, solve the challenges we are facing in the during the implementation of CBC transition from 844 system, like insufficient resources, for example, classrooms? I think I want to get whatever. Nchiraki serikali bonera nyarwa address ya mangana ya igagende tukonekiwa ekira transition ya igagende.
Serikali tuwati option. Uike ese budget yabo. Waruki tumo money to education.
Chibesa chimento ya sewiza.
Ese budget. Waruzi chibesa naande ni chibesa chibe managed well.
Abu no muchando ocho.
Ikiara there is one thing to allocate the resources and there is another one to use the resources. Na ku allocate the resources lakini nyenzi go tumeka ya onye kirasi ke wende kwa gajirwe milioni ya lakini mwezi alitika ke ndi chi milioni iwe toro chi yasire na chirecho. So serikali te wati option onye yetegete ko solve the transition na ndo kutwale na facilities uikawa beke chibesa chinyinge se ministry education wali kabalo wale enough ba those facilities to support implementation. That's the only way. There is no shortcut. Yeah.
Bibona sana. Chi recommendation kuse kendi kyansi kiriora nya recommenda igoro yo gwikirania omorobere yo CBC.
Omorobere yo CPC all stakeholders work together. Abo bale serikali, abalimu, abaibuli, right? N'abantu bande nonye donor community. We can work together. Ikiagere njire yo konyora abaibuli bakongusama bakonya gokonde mu system ile chikokonya. We can support. Ikiana gote winga parental involvement. Serikali nero we can ever deliberate the resources. Then the teachers kero mai to konyora nga ki nyingi no negativity ya nga mangana ye system we abali ngo kambanga wa accept change. Mbara wali ngi mustari wa mbere wakonya gokonde mu system. Ye kentu abete involve ngo roje no officials wana and the like. So we can all the stakeholders work together, even the church, so that a system where this system is superior than even the Cambridge one.
Nimbateri bori abasa abarimu kero kuri yabona ababari getose inse ya omurobero internship.
Yeah.
Was it right?
Yeah. It was right. Area problem one nga serikali dela confirm into permanent. Ikiara they were sorting out a crisis. Aba bali bakarora imbabwa enough money bakaweka under internship. It was a good move.
Okay. Bwana sana. Wakori.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Bwana sana mwancho murigiriri hase okoba umwigeno imeyo murobirega bwitwani ya getembe ritukoria rero ekero twabere tugukwanda mangana umurobirego CBC. Nende kunyo kubwate enganende okonyara gosanga nabo kogenda otunyora ase mitandao yetu ya kijamii nabo izo ase namba yetu ya studio ekikagika usitagika ya mocha somo gani tutarakora
ntege to appreciate asoko ndandi yaro baiga ucha kwana na masomo amasomo is the future of the country na anda masomo na watu wanjite wono okolera pi nelinga eskuru ya Timiza bono nerere the best school is a region here ikiagera onyama ngana space ndobwat all the programs ya CPC ndobwat right from computer and everything else paka music amangana transport utobwat a very effective transport system chikali mwana go tubwa chikali tubwa ta komi go toko genda all the way to Keroka Kiamukama tuenda bakazuke sonso moina tuenda Nyakoe na Bosungu gaiga arafu na mangana boarding go tubwa te boarding ye well equipped ebwata keregendo it is spacious chikwere chiri requirement ministry turu chinga mangana emerero and the like utobwa the job chiri very safe amacho utobwa tare enough a wasco a borehole and the like abali utobwa tare enough competent and qualified bono so aba iboli wale basumboke twakanya kuri school cy'abana takanya kuri gereriale school gae nyakogenda kujikabara kiroro konya kogenda kuchi school kino chi western ila iko ko west a lot of time the school will go solve the problem ya kisi intimiza ona abantu wale konya kwera bana kuchi school cyarale the school is here takuri gereriale just come and we are there, we'll guide you well amangana CPC into to achagete 4 years ago iskuru echinde kali chabwata mangana 844 umwana akasome ma ekera lesson umwalimu akasome lesson ya 844 the next lesson yasomi CPC kwanyora ali confused tuara kole chi interview cha balu bakuri skuru echinde ba chabwata 844 na CPC up to last year the other year na bakora there was confusion bara konyambara ni understand inturo chitokachaka 4 years ago CPC to train ya bali mu CPC to implement the CPC to akora research mangana CPC and everything is right. Bono tagusumbuka eskuru timiza inchu tubwate virasi byonse ipi paka grade 9 boarding tubwate ko curriculum yo music tuachire kabere national tokwanda paka state house umupira tubwate football academy ntole the process inte to disclose ile yabona yekera ndora ko tugwakini chi club coach mbwate yo mupira igaro mwalimu nanda agakira umupira professional player wakirete Kariobangi Sharks professional player ne mwalimu go train ekwenda one scouting muna one ruseye igo impwate club ekoruma Timisa FC mba compete iga baka win trophies GHM MP and the like. So mentorship program amangana skills character Timisa ne kanisa we are building the church in school. Abana kwenda wale kanisa wa Central Church ikanisa chinyingi. So ikiagara tosare inaliyo tuara na holistic land. Mangana academics, mangana sports na spirit. Even hivi tutoligete kabisa so that kara mwana wasoka gaida tuatayanga igale skilled and ethical.
Mbia mwana sana. Eskuru ya Timiza una kwa igure ne bwate rivaga. Igo umancho murigerea wakor. Mbia mwana sana uyunigare Dr. Bernard Musa uyore na ndo mwenyene bweskuru ya Timiza ebwate paka junior secondary school. Igo mancho murigerea ase ichinga kechiga ngoberenerea mbia mwana se aye asinchira ya bena mbia mwana sana soko bane yomurobire nabo igo oyore maiga gusase studio akabere abideni yanchama nabo igo maiga yiti camera Stanley na ere matundura nabo igo ntomo bwate omoedito ere kabuga mbia mwana sana soko ikiranya umurobirega bisikori rero imambiye iga naye mbia mwana sana asoko ikaiga ero ko garia igoro yomugore omurobire OCBC goika arit koriantio chinsa chamambia parengene chema tuna wewa yes I own